Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can search for servers on Discord. So as you can see, there is like a discover section here. You're just going to select that, and here is where you can search for Discord servers for you to join. You can join these official Discords, but honestly, I like Discords that are more exclusive and small, so you can actually like communicate and talk and make friends with them. So I basically just joined like my friend's Discord server. They would just invite me through link, but you can stay updated using these servers for like gaming, music, entertainment. There's science and tech, even education, and student hubs. Oh my god, there's a mathematics server, which I think is pretty cool. There's even German learning discussion. Maybe I'll join one if there's a Spanish one. I'm not sure, but you can even search for it. I'm just going to try to search up Spanish maybe. There is a Spanish English learning server. Um, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.